Welcome to a journey through Tuscany, Italy, where the dream of owning a beautiful home is more attainable than you might imagine. Forget the notion that picturesque properties come with an exorbitant price tag. In this video, we're unveiling 4 incredibly captivating homes in Tuscany, each brimming with unique character and immense potential, all starting from just 45,000 euros. Prepare to discover your very own slice of Italian paradise. Our first property is a charming 2-bedroom top-to-bottom house priced at just 45,000 euros, located in the picturesque village of Sassi Malazzana in the heart of Tuscany, Italy. This terratetto, free on 3 sides, offers a corner of tranquility amidst the Tuscan mountains, without sacrificing proximity to essential services. It's ideal as a main residence or a holiday home, with easy car access and parking available in the village square. Inside, the property spans 2 levels. On the ground floor, you'll find a warm and welcoming living area, featuring a living room and a kitchen with a wood-burning thermo fireplace, perfect for cozy evenings. These distinct and functional rooms are separated by a characteristic exposed brick arch, adding to the rustic charm. Ascending upstairs, you reach the sleeping area, which consists of 2 spacious and bright double bedrooms. One of these bedrooms boasts a lovely terrace with open views of the village rooftops and the surrounding mountains, an ideal spot for outdoor relaxation. A bathroom with a window and a bathtub completes this floor. This home is in good general condition and immediately habitable, though some modernization could further enhance its potential. It's the ideal solution for those seeking a quiet, natural environment without being too far from city comforts, ready to welcome new memories and moments of serenity. Our second property is a 3-bedroom townhouse priced at 50,000 euros, located in Lucchio, a historic hamlet in Bagni di Lucca, Tuscany. Known as the most perched and hidden town in Tuscany, Lucchio sits 780 meters above sea level, offering breathtaking panoramic views of the valley and the Tuscan-Emilian Apennines. This stone-built, terraced house called Casa Verdefiore boasts typical Tuscan features with wooden beams and terracotta bricks. Access to the house is on foot, either uphill or downhill, adding to its secluded charm. On the ground floor, you'll find an inviting entrance hall, a kitchenette, and a living dining room complete with a cozy wood-burning fireplace. The first floor hosts the sleeping area, featuring a small walk-through bedroom with a mezzanine and a spacious double bedroom with a raised wardrobe area. In basement 1, accessible via internal stairs, there's a small hallway, a bathroom with a shower, and a room ready for your personal touch. Basement 2, accessible only from the outside, includes a shed and 2 cellars, providing ample storage. Outside, a common courtyard welcomes you. This property offers wonderful valley views, making it an excellent choice as a second summer home. While it lacks a heating system, its location is convenient, being an hour and a half by car from major Tuscan tourist centers. This charming townhouse offers a true taste of traditional Tuscan living. Our third property is a 5-bedroom village house priced at €53,000, located in Minucciano Lucca, Tuscany. This ancient habitable house, spread over 3 levels in a quiet and sunny village, offers exceptionally panoramic views over the valley and the lake below. It's habitable and furnished, making it an immediate escape to Tuscan charm. Houses in this village are typically reached on foot from a public car park. The main living area features a large kitchen and dining room with an antique fireplace and a panoramic balcony, perfect for enjoying the stunning surroundings. The house includes 5 large double bedrooms and a complete bathroom with a shower. It benefits from autonomous heating with radiators and a gas-powered boiler and is left furnished for your convenience. Outside, while a garden is attached to the house, it is rather steep and belongs to another owner. If this garden is not of interest, the sale price drops to €56,000. There's also potential to create a large panoramic terrace at roof level by sacrificing one of the bedrooms. This property is ideal for those seeking a quiet village life with stunning views, just a 3-minute drive from the lake, restaurants, and bars. It embodies distinct Tuscan characteristics with its narrow streets and perched stone houses. Finally, let's explore our fourth property, a charming 3-bedroom house priced at €75,000 located in Bagni di Lucca, Lucca, Tuscany. This well-kept property is situated in one of the most populated villages in the area, offering full car access and parking very close by, along with shops and restaurants within walking distance. It's an incredibly well-kept house spread over 2 levels, plus cantinas with ample storage space. Upon entering the upper ground floor, you'll find a welcoming hallway with a kitchen and a stunning dining room that looks out across to the Apuan Alps, offering fabulous views where you can watch the sunset. The ground floor features the main entrance with stairs directly in front. To the left is the kitchen and to the right, the living area. The living and dining space also includes one bathroom with a shower. Additionally, there's a versatile room that could either extend the living area or serve as a third bedroom. The two main bedrooms are located on the first floor, where you'll also discover a terrace with an amazing view. The rooms are generously sized, presenting the potential for a second bathroom installation. Below the house, in one of the two basements, is an oil-fired boiler providing full central heating. This lively village boasts a very good restaurant, a pizzeria, and a grocery shop, with Bagni de Lucca just 5 kilometers away for all additional amenities. There's also an excellent summer bar that hosts regular events. This property offers a perfect blend of village life with convenience and stunning views. So what do you think about today's picks? Which one is your favorite? I truly believe that living in the place of your dreams doesn't have to cost a fortune. While property prices in Europe, especially in desirable regions like Tuscany, have seen increases, there are still plenty of hidden gems waiting to be discovered. I would love to hear your thoughts on living in the European countryside or by its beautiful coasts. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe in order to support the channel and be the first one to find out about stunning overseas properties. Thanks so much for listening, and see you next time.